Alright guys, so today we have some really cool trucks here. They're all GM Squarebody trucks. They're mostly Chevys. There's two GMCs. I think this is a GMC and this one, and okay, three I guess. There's this one too. It says Sierra right on it. So guess we got three of each here. Because this one is a custom I got on eBay. This is from the Mijo exclusive auto lift pack. And so I guess we'll start with that one since it's out of the package already. There's a squeaky chair. Alright, so this is a 75 Chevy Silverado. This is a custom. It's the only custom part is the lift kit, which looks like it's quite a bit of work there, and then the wheels and tires. But yeah, so paint wise, this is exactly how this looks, straight from the package here. Only thing I don't care for, the engine's kind of hard to see. It's not real detailed in the engine, which is strange for M2. But yeah, you can see the badges on the truck really good. Got the Silverado badge. Got the Chevy badge on the cab there. Got the Chevrolet on the tailgate, 1975. Typical M2, there's no reverse lights on the tail lights. Got the Mijo Speed Shop decal because it's a Mijo exclusive. And I'll try to show this so you can see the spacers he's put in here, the plates, and then some type of baked clay. It's not JB Weld, if you guys are wondering. That's not what it is. But whatever it is, I've gotten a few trucks from this seller on eBay, and they're all built really well. You know, they don't fall apart on you, and they roll. They roll tight, but they roll. You're not gonna be sending these down the track anyway, so they don't have to roll great. Then it's got these really cool tires on it. So right off the bat, of course, that one's going to be my favorite, but got some other really cool ones here. I'll start with this 3-pack. This 3-pack is a Walmart exclusive that I couldn't find at my local Walmart, either one of the local Walmarts. So had to buy this online. It was kind of expensive, but it did come with these two step sides here, so got two more trucks for basically the same price I would have bought this for from different sellers. So I feel like I got a good deal. So what we're looking at here, I'm gonna set that off to the side. What we're looking at here, the 73 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 10 4x4. A 76 Chevrolet Scottsdale Chevy Sport 4x4, and a 76 GMC Sierra Grand 15 4x4. So I'll get this open and unscrew these from the base, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I went ahead and took the two Sierra step sides out of their packages too. Got the packaging off to the side, so that we're not hindered with that. All of these screws and spacers here are just from the 3-pack here. The screws for these are still, you can kind of see them back in front of this black one here. So there's a bunch of screws that hold those trucks down. And then there's these little things here. Squeaky chair again, you have to pardon that. I got the little spacer goes on the back here, screws in. So we got a lot of screws to take out there. So we'll start off here with this one here. This is the 73 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 10. And as you can see, there's some metallic in that paint. And it's kind of decked out a little differently than the others. It says Chevrolet Performance. Got the Cheyenne Super 10 badge. It may not focus. Got Chevrolet badge on the cab. Got a bench seat in this one, just like it should. Big bow tie on the side there. Chevrolet. I really like this wheel and tire combination. I think that's great. Got the black stripe on the back tailgate. It says Chevrolet. Oh, about dropped it. Same thing on the other side, of course. The grille is blacked out, as well as the bumper and the brush guard. And the headache rack on the back. That's also... it's got a modern engine in it. I'd rather it have the original, like the this other dark green one here, but that's okay. So that's my favorite one in the set. This yellow one here is probably my next favorite. We'll go in order here. I really like all three of them. This is the 76, I think this is 76, yeah, 76 Chevy Sport. I think it's a Silverado. So this Sport just indicates this white stripes on the body here. I kind of wish this orange one had a Sport package. I think the white with the Sport, or I'm sorry, I think the orange with the white Sport stripes looks really cool. If you look up pictures of that. This one's got the chrome push bar and bumpers. And you'll notice the lights on this one are rectangular, where they were round on... Actually, they're round on both of these trucks. So we've got the Silverado badge there. Same badges on all of them, of course. This one's got really pretty dark blue interior. That's probably the closest to accurate interior color of these, although this tan color here is really close. So this one has white leather tires, Goodyear Wranglers. It's got the same wheels as that black one. These are just chromed. I like how you can see the leaf springs on these lifted trucks. Chevrolet on the tailgate. This one's got a tight opening hood. Original engine in this one. And another, or I guess our first GMC we're looking at here. 76 GMC Sierra Grande, or Grande, however you want to say it. 15, 4x4. This one's got a white brush guard. You can see the GMC emblem there. The High Sierra badge there. This one also has the Goodyear Wranglers. I really like this yellow and white color combination. That's cool. This one's the only one that features a gas flap. None of the other ones have a gas flap. I find that a tad bit strange. I wish they all featured the gas flap. On the 73, of course, the earlier ones, rather than the square flap, there's just a little round thing, but still, be nice to see that. All right, this one we have the tan interior, which was a very very common color combination for the yellow with the tan interior for these trucks. This one's got different wheels. Very tight hood on this one. I'm almost afraid to open it. Original engine in this one too, so I wonder why this green one has a modern engine. Alright, now let's look at these two. So we'll line our trucks up here. Let's look at this orange one first. There's all the screws and spacers for that one. So this is the 76 GMC High Sierra 15 in Rally Orange, I think is what they called this. Same wheels as the yellow truck we just looked at. This one has a paint issue. The High Sierra badge there. Turn signal is hard to see on this one, but it's still there. They were hard to see on these orange ones. GMC badge again. The Chevy badge you can kind of see better with the brush guards. That's why I'm pointing out these do still have the GMC emblems. I don't know if I pointed out the drive shafts and everything on the base of all of these trucks. But you can see this custom one here that somebody made is a pretty good representation of the M2 mass-produced drive shaft assembly. What engine is this one sporting? This one sports the original style engine and the bench seat. Got the little GMC badge up there on the cab. We have another paint imperfection in the fender. Looks like 2. GMC on the back tailgate, 1976. Most of these roll really good. There's one or two of them that don't. Alright, now we're looking at the same truck in black. And I will try my best not to get fingerprints all over it. Oh, crap. We're making a mess here. So, check out the engine first since the hood's open. Original engine. That black and white's a nice color for this truck. White brush guard, white wheels. You can really see the detail in the High Sierra badge. Well, you could, if the camera would focus on it. That's probably as good as I'm going to get it. Black interior. White GMC on the back. That one rolls really good too. So this is going to add quite a bit of time to the video, but I will put these on the turntable for you guys. So like, comment, subscribe for more. Have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next video.